everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's blaster throwback of the month will be going to the Jolt EX-1, which is the tiniest little blaster you could ever see. This was, my guess would be pretty much a last minute resort if all your blasters were empty and you had this left over. This had quite a substantial amount of power. Yeah, and performs really well, even after all these years. The Jolt EX-1 had another counterpart, same name. I believe it was in an orange and black color scheme. If I had to think really hard on that, yeah, it was a black and orange color scheme. I want to say it was the N-Strike series, not the Elite, just the regular N-Strike series. And this is the Elite version. So I think the original Jolt came with, if I'm not mistaken, 3 Whistler darts, and they were the orange foam with the, I want to say it was like a black rubber tip, but it was a Whistler. The one I'm going to be talking about today is about the Jolt EX-1 from Nerf and Strike Elite. Elite came with, this blaster came with the Jolt itself and 3 Elite darts. So it looks like this. And similar to like the Triad and like a double strike, more or less. The Jolt is pretty much the easiest blaster to pick up, know how to work it, because there's really only two parts to it. It's similar to a Triad. You pull this back and pull trigger, and then you repeat cycle. However, this is a one-shotter, so you only get one shot before you have to shoot the dart, and then you have to put another dart back in. Similar to the Triad in the previous video, this ammo type is Nerf Elite, so you can pretty much throw like Whistler darts, you can throw the Velcro darts, you can throw streamlines, whatever kind of dart, as long as it's about this size. So I guess the only ammo types you couldn't really use in the Jolt, obviously for very easy reasons, is Mega Darts, Rival, and Vortex are like no-goes because they obviously won't fit inside this blaster and they won't work. The Jolt, I would say, is a successor compared to, say, a Secret Strike AS1, where you had to pump it up a few times and then blam, and then you had to reload again. But the Secret Strike was pretty cool because if you were to take it, I'm going off track a little bit, but the Secret Strike AS1 was perfect because it had a keychain attachment, so you could like put it on a key ring and attach it to like your car keys or to a backpack or whatever, and you'd have it handy. And also for the fact that if you were to take out the shell parts and just have just the blaster, not this one, but like the Secret Strike AS1, you could literally make like a replica. You could come close to making a replica of the Black Ops 1 ballistic knife. Minus the knife part, obviously, and replace it with a dart. Like a Nerf dart. But getting back to the Jolt EX-1, I want to say was a successor from the AS1 because the Secret Strike AS1 had was an air system blaster, and this blaster doesn't require air; it just uses a plunger system. And I guess the reason why I chose this to be the blaster of the month for October 2020 is because it's just a very handy blaster. It's very tiny and fits in, I want to say, most pockets. and you could just whip it out in a Nerf blaster, or in a Nerf war, you could whip it out and just go pew, and it does really good performance. You can angle it and get a little bit more range, less accuracy, or you do a level shot, and I'll just aim, say, at this piece of paper. It has a tremendous amount of power for just being a tiny little blaster. Now, obviously, if you were to compare this to a modified blaster, the modified blaster is going to win, obviously. But if you're comparing this to, say, another plunger system blaster, say like a Night Finder that's not modified, this will obviously take the cake. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and understood the video on the Nerf Blast, or the Blaster Throwback of the Month for October 2020 on the Jolt EX-3. And I guess thanks for watching. If you like the video, please throw down a like or a comment or even a subscribe even. I don't mind either way. Or if you don't feel like doing any of that, I just hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.